The crypto world was shocked when Blackrock, a $10 trillion business, came out. The price of XRP Ripple is going up as fast as they can. This is not a joke. A lot of people don't believe this news, but I have all the facts, and trust me, you are not ready for this. That's not all, though. The end goal was a surprise to everyone because they want to make the price of XRP Ripple $350. This is a positive signal that you can't miss. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. Few. Things have caused as much excitement in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency as BlackRock's possible role with XRP Ripple. BlackRock's move into the XRP market could be a big deal for this digital asset since it is the biggest asset investor in the world. To understand why this is so important, you need to know what an ETF is. Exchange Traded Fund is what ETF stands for. Like stocks, it's a type of investment fund that can be bought and sold on stock markets. Shares of an ETF can be bought by buyers. An ETF holds a group of assets like stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies. This lets investors spread their money across a number of different investments without having to buy each one separately. For digital currencies like XRP, an exchange-traded fund ETF lets buyers get exposure to the asset without having to buy and store the cryptocurrency themselves. Already made a splash with its Bitcoin ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, which has gained about $6.6 billion since its start, has a lot of power in the financial world. Now, there is a lot of talk in the cryptocurrency community that BlackRock might soon release a spot XRP ETF. Jack the Rippler's recent tweets show how excited people are getting. BlackRock bought more XRP while you sold it. BlackRock will be the next company to make an announcement. The storm began with Grayscale. This feeling comes from the thought that BlackRock might soon do something big with XRP, similar to what Grayscale has done in the area. It's impossible to overstate how important it is that BlackRock might invest in XRP. BlackRock manages more than $9 trillion in assets. If they entered the XRP market, it would prove that XRP is a real product and could also cause its price to go up a lot. Analyst Ashley Prosper recently said on X that she thought BlackRock might apply for a spot XRP ETF a few weeks after the Ripple vs. SEC case ends. This new information fits with the growing opinion that BlackRock will soon join, which could happen after a major court decision on Ripple's legal status. The law is very important in this case. Judge Annalisa Torres said in July 2023 that programmatic sales of XRP to individual buyers were not securities. This was a big win for Ripple. Sales to institutional buyers, on the other hand, were not registered securities. Because of this decision, XRP has become a better choice for institutional buyers. Investors could get exposure to XRP through a controlled financial product if there was a spot XRP ETF. This could bring in a lot of money. Because BlackRock has a history of success with ETFs and is a top asset manager, an XRP ETF that BlackRock launches could get a lot of attention from both institutional and individual investors. So BlackRock's possible move into the XRP market is more than just a way to make money. It shows that institutions are becoming more optimistic about Ripple's future. If the company gets involved, it could lead to more widespread use and funding. This is a good time for buyers to keep a close eye on how XRP develops. Doesn't it sound crazy? But you haven't heard what the experts say yet. They are bringing up crazy numbers and changes in the market that could change the future of XRP. You don't want to miss what's coming next because BlackRock could have a huge effect. We're going to talk more about how this could change the world of cryptocurrencies and what it means for you. As a result, XRP Ripple is at a very important point in the history of cryptocurrencies. Recent events and expert opinions have made a lot of people talk about how XRP's price could go up a lot. BlackRock's expected role adds to the interest. To understand how big this possible rise could be, it's important to know what's going on. Onyx recently talked about a golden cross on the 5-day chart in a tweet, a scientific sign that points to a possible 10x to 650x rise. Analysts and traders are excited about the future of XRP because this trend is often seen as a sign of growth. E.Greg, a well-known person in the community of cryptocurrency analysts, has helped spread hope. His research finds similarities between how the market is acting now and how it behaved in the past. Before XRP's big rise in 2017, Greg sees the same pattern in the price changes, what he calls a big red duration followed by a small red duration. This pattern was also seen before the 2017 jump. His research shows that XRP is ready for what he calls the XRP mega pump. This optimistic view is strengthened by the Super Guppy indicator, a tool that Greg uses to spot changes in trends and trading chances. The latest signals from the indicator show that XRP is about to make a big breakout. Greg's past predictions, which were right about big price changes, give his current analysis more weight. He says that even though crypto markets are naturally unstable, the way past patterns have lined up suggests that a big recovery could be coming, based on what he found the months of December 2023 through February 2024 will be very important. As especially important, similar to big jumps in the past for XRP. Also, BlackRock's role could make these predictions even more accurate. As one of the world's most important asset managers, BlackRock's possible launch of a spot XRP ETF would give XRP a lot of credibility and investment. This move would not only boost the credibility of XRP, but it would also bring in a lot of money, possibly making its price go up. Besides the chart analysis and BlackRock's possible effect, different people have different ideas about how much XRP will be worth in the future. Changeley thinks that XRP might not reach $250 until 2040 and will reach a high point of $357. Middle of the century. More optimistic predictions from AI-based studies like Grok and OpenAI say that XRP prices could reach $250 to $350 as early as 2025 or 2026 if the right conditions come together. And you might think this is the end of the exciting parts, but there's more. The chief technology officer of Ripple just shared some secret information that, along with BlackRock's possible effect and these bold price predictions, makes the news even more shocking. What's next will shock you. It's going to blow your mind. Keep reading to learn more. So David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, recently talked about his plans for XRP and how it could change the way payments are made around the world. Eduardo Farina shared a movie with his thoughts that go into great detail about how Ripple plans to deal with some of the most important problems in the financial world right now, especially the idea of proof of work. This method is very important because it makes sure that transactions are verified without the need for a central authority, which keeps things decentralized. Schwartz said exactly what this new idea was all about. There is no single operator, which is what makes it work. The public can see all activities. This separation is very important because it makes the system open so that anyone can follow the network's rules. Paying for things across borders has been Ripple's main goal, a place where old-fashioned methods don't work very well. Schwartz emphasized how big the problem was by saying that payments are a multi-trillion-dollar problem. This showed how inefficient regular financial activities are. Even though payments within the same country can be tricky, Schwartz said that payments between countries are even more difficult. He said that everyone who has made an international payment probably has a story about a bad experience. This was meant to emphasize the strategic choice to focus on this problem. Ripple's approach to international payments isn't just about making small changes. It's about coming up with a completely new answer. Schwartz's honest view of what happens when you start with a broken system is telling the worse the thing you start with, the less amazing you need to be to make it better. From this point of view, XRP's possible effects are seen as not just small but huge. XRP is a great alternative to traditional payment systems like SWIFT, which are known for being inefficient and taking a long time to handle transactions. It can take days for SWIFT transactions to finish, but XRP transactions can happen instantly and cost a lot less. This level of efficiency is not just a small plus, it's a huge step forward in banking technology. Looking to the future, changes in geopolitics make it more likely that XRP will be used all over the world. People in the BRICS group are looking into crypto-based options. The group is known for trying to move away from SWIFT and the US dollar. Many people think that XRP could be very important in this transition, but this hasn't been proven officially. If XRP is chosen for this job, it will make it much more popular and trustworthy around the world. Let's change the subject and talk about whales. Even though the price of XRP has dropped recently and some crypto fans are skeptical, whales are buying hundreds of millions of coins quickly. But why are they putting so much together and what do they expect? What they say might shock you. Watch this space to find out the real reason for these huge changes in the market. In order to focus on big clients instead of individual investors, Ripple is actively changing the way it does business. Jake Claver, a business expert, talks about this change in strategy. He says retail investors can hold XRP and use the XRP ledger, but Ripple's main goal is to make fast and easy institutional-grade transactions and cross-border